If nawala to, hindi mo ngayon ma-receive. Pag hindi mo ma-receive yung love ng tao sa paligid mo, good news, mapupunta ka na lalo sa mga maling tao. And you will only show up 100% kung malinaw sa'yo ano gusto mo. Masaya pa. Kasi mahirap sa atin, sinaktan ka na't lahat. Ano sa tingin mo? Kung niloko ka niya, sa tingin mo pag minura mo yan, masasaktan siya? Di, panalo na siya nakapanloko na siya. Don't put yourself in that situation twice. Are you with me still? I know what pain of regret and discipline means. There's what we call pain of stupidity. Tip, don't be stupid, guys. Are you with me? Don't be stupid. Sino dito yung naranasan mo ng maloko? Yeah. When that happens, minsan nawawala to. Yes or yes? If nawala to, hindi mo ngayon ma-receive. Pag hindi mo ma-receive yung love ng tao sa paligid mo, good news, mapupunta ka na lalo sa mga maling tao, sa mga maling community. You have to open yourself to receive love. You have to open yourself to that. Na pag alam mo hindi ka okay, teka lang, just open your eyes. May mga nagmamahal sa'yo. Are you with me? Tapigin mo katabi mo sa kanan, sabihin mo mag-move on ka na. Tapigin mo katabi mo sa kaliwa, mag-move on ka na. Tapigin mo sa sarili mo, mag-move on ako! Okay. So that's what you want. And this will be an anchor. Nagigets niyo ako? Lahat tayo naloko at some point eh. Lahat tayo betrayed at some point. Meron lang bibigat, meron lang mas malaki. But the thing is, at the end of the day, if you get what you want, like really get what you want, you will just understand at some point that, oh, kaya ko pala ito pinagdaanan. Tanga pala niya. Oh, hindi pala kami bagay. Magtithank ka na ng kay Lord, buto na lang. Parang buto na lang, niloko ko nun. Nakahanap tuloy ako na mas okay. Okay. And then aligning it to who? Who do you want to become? And who do you have to become? It has to be worth it. Now, we're talking about confidence here. This will build confidence. To be honest with you, it's like, tandaan nyo to ha, ang confidence wala sa result. Results are something you enjoy. Results are something you celebrate. Pero ang confidence, who among you here wants to be confident? Ang confidence, hindi nanggagaling sa result. Nanggagaling yan sa pagiging competent. Competence. And the competence will come from evidence. And evidence will come from just showing up, taking action. And you will only show up 100% kung malinaw sa'yo ano gusto mo. So linawin mo. It's like I remember someone meaningful, there's can I share a story? Pwede magkwento? She's a single mother in the Philippines and this is a real story by the way. So she got pregnant at a very young age. Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, pag nabuntis ka ng maaga, haliparot, malandi, pokpok, ganyan halo-halo na no? So, ngayon, since mahirap ang buhay, nagbebenta siya ng product. So sa kanan, may malaking plastic ang laman ng bra, panty, Avon, Natasha, Boardwalk, Tupperwares. Are you familiar with Tupperwares? Yung hanggang ngayon buhay pa. Kung may Tupperware kayong original, hanggang ngayon buhay pa yon. Meron din kami, may inventory pa namin yan eh. Sa kaliwa, wet goods. Tocino, langgonisa, yung mga niluluto. Now, this young woman is extremely beautiful. She's always in pageants and all that. Sumasali sa mga pageant. So she's famous in school. So ngayon, tumigil siya ng pag-aaral. Na-meet niya yung mga classmate niya, nakasakay sila ng jeep. So syempre, she's excited. Ano yung feeling? Uy, kamusta yung college niyo? Alam mo ginawa ng mga classmate? Hindi siya pinansin. Parang nakakahiya. Siya, kapambahay, nagtitinda lang ng Initsipwera siya. So ano naramdaman niya? I feel what? Rejected. Imposible hindi niyo ako kilala. Ako pinakamaganda sa school eh. So bumaba siya ngayon. Umiiyak. Meow, meow, meow. Ganun, umiiyak siya. Pagbaba niya, sabi niya, dadating ang time, nakakotse ako, kayo nagkukommute pa rin. So what she did, she make it a goal to buy a car. She bought a Honda City, kulay gold. City ba? This story is a story of my mom. City o Civic? City, di ba? City. I think it's a City. Hindi pa uso Civic nun eh. So City, color gold. Good news, totoo nangyari. Nakasakay sa jeep yung dalawang kumag. Binuksan pa niya yung bintana. Hi guys. It really happened. Ito yung good news. Yung mga nanlalait sa kanya, hanggang ngayon pinapautang niya. Hanggang ngayon tinutulungan ni mama. So the revenge is like, I'm gonna be so kind. Pagsisisihan mo lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin. Because I have the capacity to help. That's what we call forgiveness. That's what we call abundance.